welcome Abdullah.
Good morning, everyone. How nice to see so many of you here this pleasant morning. I would welcome to all of you for this joining this wonderful platform. Now, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My full name is Ahmed Abdullah. My nickname is Babu. I am a student. I study at 𝗵𝐺𝐴 High School in class 10. My favorite hobby is playing football. I want to be a teacher. That's all about me. Dear audience, now I'm going to tell you about the most popular newspaper in my country. The most popular newspaper in my country is called the Daily Star. I like it because it provides true news, impartial news, and moreover. It has some special page for it has special page for education, culture, science, and sports. It's my favorite hobby. Dear audience, now I would like to finish it today. Thank you very much. See you some another day.
Thank you.